You know when you try to get help from a chatbot or an automated phone system and it just can't keep up. It doesn't understand your questions or gives you the wrong answers or sends you in circles. We've all been there. That's why we built something different. A voice AI that actually sounds human, understands the context, handles real customer conversation 24/7. No menus, no awkward pauses. We're going to do a quick demo to show you how it works.
So here we're at a website with the AI agent at the bottom right installed, and similar to other chatbots, you'll see what it looks like here. And this time, but here you see an option. You can either chat with it, and again, this is all AI, or you can call. So we're going to do for this demo an actual call. And we're at My Lobby. It's a visitor management system. They have it installed, and so I'm going to have a conversation with this AI. And I want to give you guys an opportunity to see what it's like. I'm going to interrupt it. I can ask strange questions. So just so you get a sense that it can handle all different kinds of situations. So let's dive in.
Hi, I'm the My Lobby assistant. I can help you see how My Lobby improves visitor check-in, security, and front desk.
Yeah. I was checking out your website and it's great. I got a bit of a strange question. Do you guys provide the assistance of installing it? Because we're kind of busy and we don't have a lot of time. Is that something you guys can do?
We definitely assist with the setup process and making sure everything is configured for your needs. We can guide you through installation and setup remotely. Our goal is to make it as smooth and quick as possible, so it doesn't take up much.
I'm just looking here at your landing page, and I see that you have QR codes. Is that like for like pre-screening? So, because a lot of people don't have a lot of time, it's a very busy environment, and so that could we just scan a QR code to expedite that sign-in process?
Yes, absolutely. My Lobby supports touchless check-in with QR codes. Visitors can either receive a QR code in advance or scan one on site so they can start check-in right from their own device. That really helps speed up the process in a busy environment. Would that kind of workflow suit your needs?
Yeah, absolutely, it would. So I'm going to end it here. So you got an idea. I mean, I can go on and have that conversation with that agent, and they can capture information, anything that you want to do, but we'll give you more information. The goal is to make this real quick, simple, give you a sound bite of what it sounds like and how that natural conversation, how it can answer almost any sort of situation and do the interrupting. So until next time, thanks for watching.